Got the cat dragged in. We got a little wild Egypt out here. What's up, BB?
I'm saying it won't happen again.
Alright guys, we're back home finally from Mexico with Parker.
Yes, Mexico.
And our friend from Egypt actually just made his flight back from Egypt.
I drove there.
He's literally from Egypt.
He drove from Egypt.
He's actually a refugee. He had to escape.
He's a refugee.
He had to escape. That's why he's always he drives like a little pansy because he's scared of getting deported.
Yeah.
He's scared of getting deported. But yeah, guys, we're back in town, and actually a lot of stuff came in from Amazon, so we're gonna go ahead and open it, see what came in. By my front door. Let me go get it. We have this little cap we're gonna use for the fuel regulator. Then we have. No, I'm not gonna let you race the truck, dude.
That truck.
You see this, man? You see this? He wants me. He wants me to finish this truck now.
You want to win?
So
you hire a professional.
No. If I hire you to drive my truck for Truck Mayhem, it's just gonna it's not gonna work. We're gonna lose. You need to break it.
Don't worry about it.
He's like, I want to drive the truck. I'm like, no, you ain't driving this truck until after this race. All right, what do we have here? A little union we're gonna use for the regulator as well. All automotive. Also, honestly, Amazon Prime is life. Another one of these. Yeah, we need 2 of those. A plug. That's all we got. Sweet.
I give it
right, cool.
Probably till Wednesday before the trans breaks.
Till Wednesday?
Yeah, and I'll give it till next Wednesday before you get another one.
Oh, if I break the trans, I like
that desperate.
I'll order it right away, dude. Let's get this done. Let's get this done, guys. We're back here at the Race Spec headquarters.
Race Spec headquarters. I gotta take it down.
Race Spec SQ. That's gross, bro.
I mean,
but as you saw, we got some Bang energy drinks because
Bang.
Yo, you know what's funny? We could have been done with this by now. We could have been done, but Parker decided that a 6-hour adventure to go look at his truck that has a blown motor is like acceptable.
Okay. The reason behind it, I haven't had that truck in like 1.5 years running right. 2 years, and I've owned the truck like about that time.
It's never ran good.
So I had to go check it out. If I didn't check it out, it's like your baby. You know, you can't. What are you gonna do? You're just gonna like sit there and like not do anything for it? No, you're gonna do everything you can for it. Even if you can't do anything, you'll be there.
I mean, it depends on if you pay child support or not. I'm kidding.
Well, right now, I pay child support. Yeah, I paid my couple grand to get that truck running.
That's true. So, anyways, time to finish this, and the videos on Parker's truck. We have 2 videos coming. Will be here probably next week or 2 because we have some stuff here. Bang bang. All right, guys. So we're all set up to make our fuel lines, but first, I want to make sure the pump's all the way in. So here's the fuel pumps, obviously, and they can get them in here because this thing right here is a fuel sender, and I kind of want to know how much fuel I have. So I think I'm gonna have to cut those little pointy things in there. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the Dremel, cut them, and then we'll get that thing in there. We need to cut that other one too, right? This one? Or should we check for clearance again?
No, I'm pretty sure that's the one you should cut first.
Really? So I messed up?
You should cut both.
Well, Parker's bringing the fuel pump right now, so...
Cut it.
Let me just cut it. Parquito!
I'm coming!
Don't get the address. Alright, so set it in.
I'm not good at that, dude. I'm Mormon.
Alright, so it's still hitting something, and I think it's that other top one, right?
I told you, it's that one that's sitting.
Alright, cool.
No mames.
Your part is sitting right there.
Or should we just, no, because the thing is...
Yeah, it's stable.
No, the thing is we need fuel to get in there, so like the thing is, if it's under half a tank, fuel's not going to go in here, and it's not going to it's not going to suck it out, you know? So what if we, just like cut holes in the side?
No. We could, yeah.
Could always be fuel, right?
No.
What do you mean no?
I wouldn't suggest doing that.
Why?
That felt good. That feels like it's there. Yeah, you're on that line.
Alright, we're recording. Not a paid sponsorship.
Yeah, for sure not a paid sponsorship. 2,000 videos, want to be paid sponsorship. But yeah, guys, so I think the way the stock pump works is I think it goes in there and it sucks fuel out of here. Obviously, these aren't going to do that. But I don't want it to be sucking nothing, you know?
You don't want to suck?
Not me personally, but yeah, so I'm going to drill some holes to make sure that it's just shut up. We just need to make sure there's holes there all the time.
That's what she said.
So we're gonna drill some holes, make sure there's fuel there all the time, and then we'll be good. We'll be Gucci.
Yeah, that'll be good. Wow, what the?
I hope this works. There's no going back.
Oh yeah, you gotta make sure it comes down straight on that one. Your dad had issues with that one.
Smart guy.
Right. That's good, good. Yeah.
I feel like that.
Oh my. Get that on film. You gotta be sure, man. Can't have fuel starvation. What is Parker doing? Oh, is that our fuel line?
Hello.
We love you.
Black Mamba.
Awesome. So then that's gonna come to the fuel rail up top here. But first we're gonna cut some stuff.
I think I'm gonna run it behind your vacuum.
Behind the vacuum. So we have this over here, all ready to go. Well, obviously this isn't like fully installed. It's just mocked up so we can make the fuel line. And our fuel filter was way smaller than we thought it was gonna be.
Oh, ouch.
It's okay. We gotta put it in the middle somehow. Make those AN fittings. Stay tuned. You see Parker cutting up the AN line?
Trying here.
The Dremel, eh?
With a Dremel, some tape, little tricks of the trade I learned from the guy who built my engine.
Alright guys, so what we're doing right now is this is what like the fitting looks like, so we're just putting it in there as hard as we can. You can kind of see that the hose is almost all the way in there. So it takes like a lot of like hand strength to do this, and I actually have weak fingers, but or like
I wouldn't admit that.
Oh, dude, I'm like scared I'll get like finger arthritis at some point. Suck. But anyways, yeah, so this just goes in like that, and then you just start twisting it, and then you're good to go. That was actually too easy. Whatever, we're gonna put it on our thing. That way we can properly...
On our thing? What is our thing?
Our rice grips.
So much attention to detail.
Alright, Parker, what did we do?
I'd rather just make YouTube videos for the rest of my
What
life.
did we do, bro? What did we do?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Parker put the spacers wrong.
Yeah, look at that. The spacers are like this, and I was supposed to put them,
Up top.
you know, like that.
Yeah, I'm tightening this fuel rail so we can finish these, and he's like,
No, put them a bit. Like, technically, though, it would work.
it would work.
It would, but it'd be ghetto. And we
yeah.
ain't ghetto here. We're like,
We're half ghetto.
no, we're like,
Yeah, we'll finish it. We'll finish it. Alright, so Parker's finishing up that fuel rail. I'm all done here.
I'm trying, dude.
I'm gonna go ahead and put these fittings out on the regulator, Teflon tape and everything, to get ready to get that done. So excited for that. Ya llegaron los trabajadores.
Ya va a tomar video, dice que
No, you didn't. No has visto nada, güey.
Let's come this way. We got the U2, the U on the fuel hose. What are you doing?
The
On
YouTube?
this like scratch worker just.
I did not make that scratch.
What scratch did you make?
I did not make that scratch.
What's wrong with you?
I didn't do it.
Alright, anyways, that hose is done. We got a U here.
Anyways.
That's gonna go down to the fuel filter.
Okay, hold on. This
I
is
kind of got
probably
a
going to go
T
under
back here already. Goes from rail to rail. Hold on. The fuel regulator is ready to go. So it's gonna go right on the rail right here. And here. Return line from there. Then it should be good to go. Alright guys, so I finally figured out the whole hot wire situation. So hot wire is to send more voltage for the fuel pumps because the factory wiring, which is over here, it doesn't have enough. So here's a hot wire kit. This is gonna go to that white plug. Then this little adapter is to go to the factory plug, which is because the ECU commands it. So that's all gonna get plugged up, and we still gotta do. We gotta ground it, and then we gotta run the power all the way up to the alternator. Then we're good to go.
Alright, so this is Parker. But, back at you guys. Right now, we're looking for an extra 90 fitting. I think he said 90. We lost one. We don't know where it went. So we're looking in the garage. He's in there eating tacos or sushi or whatever he wants to eat, but we're gonna find it here and hopefully get back to it. I think I hit it, so we'll make it a surprise like I actually found it. Oh, and there it is. Alright, we'll grab it, surprise him.
Alright guys, so for our last challenge, we're gonna get the assembly. Actually, it made it all the way to here, so it's nice and wet. Should make it all the way to the bottom of the tank. Gonna put it in here in the bucket though. We made a hole just in case. Just because we wanted to obviously know how much fuel we have, because this goes up and down. So then we're gonna put the strainers on the fuel pumps and hot wires ran. Then we'll look at the under the hood. We basically got everything in. Here's our regulator coming off of that. Cap that off. The return goes here, goes around. Show you guys in the daytime some other day because you can't really see right now. But we're pretty much ready to tighten everything up and see if the fuel tanks work. Alright guys, so everything's tightened up and we're ready to see if it functions.
Functions.
Yeah, everything's the hot wire kit, everything's secured. We almost forgot to connect the injectors, but you know, that's chill, it's good. Got the negative on the battery, gonna get the thing on the positive. And we might do this off camera because we're gonna make sure there's no fuel leaking anywhere. Because that would be bad. But yeah, we'll keep you guys posted, see what happens. Apparently, stock fuel pressure thing is like 45, 43 psi. So that's why we have this really cool gauge. And you can adjust it from the top. So if it's around the same pressure, we should be able to drive it. So
3 days later.
And today, as you know, the last time we finished the fuel system on the truck, fuel pumps didn't turn on. So today we're gonna go ahead and try and diagnose that. So we went ahead and got this little tester from Jay. So first suspect is gonna be the fuel pump relay. I'm gonna put that somewhere up there, which is this one. So I gotta test that somehow, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, battery is all nice and connected now, and yeah, we got our hot wire kit connected, everything's grounded, supposedly. Because if it's not the fuel pump relay, it might be the ground we did right there for the harness and the actual fuel pump. So we'll hope it's not that. So let's go ahead and see if it works. Nope. So I went ahead and took out the fuel pump. That way I can turn it over and then we'll, you know, put it into on position, see if they turn on. So it wasn't the fuse, as you guys saw in the previous clip. So then I decided to try and turn it over a little bit. I know I'm not supposed to, there's no fuel, but I mean, just in case, and didn't turn over. What does that mean? That means that the battery's probably dead. So I'm gonna get my jumper. If the battery's dead, that's possibly why the fuel pumps aren't getting power. So I'm hoping that's the issue. We're gonna go ahead and put my little jump starter on it and see what happens. Alright guys, moment of truth. It's in jump start mode. Let's see what happens. Still not cranking. Huh. Alright guys, something that people really don't mention is that when you have a vehicle that's similar, aka a 99 to 04, you know, Tahoe, Yukon, Denali, Silverado, Sierra, they're all pretty much the same under the hood. Batteries, everything is interchangeable. So when you have a project car like this, like, yo, the battery's gonna be an issue. I'll just go get that one, you know? So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works. Guys, race back here. I got gas in my eyes. We finally got pressure on the pumps. We just have the factory. Dude, why are you? He's not the host here, bro. We got.
You have a funny face.
We got the. Well, yeah, I'm dying. We got the. Yeah. We put the factory thing on, and we took off the strainers to see if the pumps are working, and they were, but like very weak. But I'm like, you know what, dude? Like, you can crank it. Well, I have it in there, and finally the gas came out of the feed tube. So then it pressurized at 10 psi, and I was like, you know what? This is pretty weak AF. So we're gonna put stuff back in. So I try to take off the feed line, and it sprayed all over my eyes. But I'll see you guys next time. I have to get my face back in the water. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it works.